if you're experiencing login issues on Trello, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the problem quickly. This guide will help you identify common issues and provide solutions. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that you have a stable internet connection. Try opening other websites or applications to confirm that your internet is working properly. Step 2. Verify your credentials. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed in breaches without people even realizing it. Use SROC to constantly monitor your email and accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breached records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 3. Clear browser cache and cookies. Sometimes outdated cache and cookies can cause login issues. Clear your browser's cache and cookies, then restart the browser and try logging in again. Step 4. Disable browser extensions. Certain browser extensions can interfere with website functionality. Temporarily disable any extensions, especially ad blockers or privacy tools, and attempt to log in again. Step 5. Try a different browser or device. If the issue persists, try accessing Trello from a different web browser or device. This can help determine if the problem is specific to your current setup. If you follow these steps and still encounter issues, consider reaching out to Trello support for further assistance.